Hi, I'm Emily Green, and today I'm going to show you how to do a 4-braid ponytail. So, I'm just going to start by just brushing out her hair. This is my friend Jenna.
Hi.
So, she takes really good care of her hair, so it's not hard to brush it. Alright, so you just want to pull your hair and part it about the center. Right. Now you're going to start with a waterfall braid. I'm just going to take a section and split it into 3 parts like you would any normal braid. And take the top piece as soon as you get it sectioned correctly. Take the top piece over first and then just braid it. And then you're going to drop this piece, if you could hold that please. And then you're going to pick up another piece, so you have 3 pieces again. Oh my gosh. And then you're going to add in a French, pick up a little bit at the top, and repeat the process. So, over, that. And you're going to do this until you have 3 pieces at the bottom. So, make sure to hold it tighter, it'll come out bumpy. Okay. There we go. That's our last piece, so we're going to have to pick it up again, so we have 3 pieces to finish the braid with. And now you're just going to continue the braid until the end of your hair. So. And then and once you get to the end of your hair, you can secure it with, I like to use these little white rubber bands. You can get them colored or anywhere like at Target or Walmart. Most places have them. So, let's take that and just secure it, because we're going to take that out in just a second. Okay, so now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So
this is what it looks like when you're done.
Okay.
So I hope you guys can see.
Alright, so you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just pick up a piece and do the waterfall. And hold that. Okay, and same thing until you have 3 pieces, and then you're going to have to pick up a 4th to finish the braid with. Okay, here's the 3rd piece.
Okay.
And pick up the last one. Add in the French. And finish off the braid.
Okay.
And same thing, just when you get close to the end, just secure it with your little white rubber bands. And remember, it doesn't have to be too tight because we're going to take this out in just a second. now you're going to take your 3 pieces that you can start on either side, and you're going to pull them up. And make sure you pull them up, or else you're going to have a funny bump and everyone's going to laugh at you. And you have 3 pieces, so you probably guessed we're going to braid it. And I messed up. Take as long as you need, you want this to look nice. So, just...
What a cute idea.
Yeah, it is.
I've never thought about crisscrossing it like that.
Yeah, actually I saw this at school on actually one of my friend's little sisters. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And high schoolers would love this, not just little 3rd graders. So
That's so cool.
yeah, and it's much, you can do this like literally 4 French braids, but it's much easier if you just start with a waterfall braid. So just braid until the end, just regular braid, nothing fancy, until you get to the end. And secure it. And do this for both sides. So you get your 4 braids. And same thing on the other side. 3 pieces, pull them up. And work until you get to the end and secure it. Alright, and just from pulling up on the French braid, we have a little bump right here, so you can just take a bobby pin or a few and just secure that down, and no one will even know. Alright, so now you can leave this like this, which is super cute, or I like to pull it into a ponytail just because I live in California and it gets really hot here.
Yeah.
So it keeps the back of your neck from sweating, which no one likes to see. So then you just take your regular twisty tie. I like to make sure it's the kind without rubber on it, or not the rubber, the metal piece, because that pulls my hair. And you're just going to take all your braids and pull it in the rest of your hair and pull it into your just everyday ponytail. And then you're going to pull out all your little white rubber bands, because those stick out like a sore thumb, unless you like the colors. But because Jen is wearing black today, I think that we should take them out. And then the braid will just naturally fall out, so you don't even have to do anything with that. There we go. And I think that needs one more bobby pin. Just you be the judge if it looks good or...
Yeah, I think I can use one more.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. And then you're ready for going out to the mall or whatever. So, hope you guys enjoyed.